Hey, baby. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come closer to me. Storm's getting pretty strong outside, huh? I mean, it's okay. It's very relaxing, right? Heavy rain and just pitter patters on the glass outside. It's okay. You're safe here with me. Right here against my chest. Feel that. My heartbeat. Slow and steady. Better than anything that's happening outside, right? No chaos inside of here, just you and me. Wrapped around in my arms. You're so cute. You're so cute. I want you to breathe with me, okay? In and out. Just feel the warmth of my body and hugging your skin like this. Are you cold? Oh no. Come here. There, so you won't be cold anymore. I got you. I got you, baby. Is that better? Yeah, that's good. I love how small you feel when I hold you like this. Spooning you. Your back pressed against me. And my chin resting on top of your head. And my arms just caged around you. So you won't feel the cold, right? Just surrounded by me. Protected by me. You smell fucking incredible. You smell warm and sweet. I don't know, maybe it's the pheromones. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm gonna take care of you tonight, okay? However you need to be taken care of. If that means that we just sit here and I can hold you until you fall asleep, well, that's what we'll do. If it means something else, well, we'll see where the night takes us, okay, baby? Oh, that was pretty loud. But I've got you, right, baby? Don't worry. I can feel you just squeezing my hand. It's okay. I'm here, right here. Just gripping you too to remind you that you're not going anywhere. That you're mine to protect. Right now you are my possession, my good girl. Your skin is so soft through this shirt. Is this one of mine? You've been stealing my clothes again, haven't you? 100% cotton. Smells like my cologne too. Wow. Marking yourself with my scent without even realizing it. I don't think you have any idea, baby. I don't think you have no clue how that makes me feel, what that does to me, seeing you wear my things. Makes me want to mark you in other ways, less temporary ways. But we're taking this slow, right? I promise you that I'm going to comfort you, and I am a man of my word. I can feel your pulse jumping here in my fingertips. You're so adorable. Come closer to me. I'll pull you closer. I just want you to sink into this. I just want you to just drown out the rain noises and just focus on us, you know? I don't want you to worry about anything, right? I don't want you to think about anything, just you and me, okay? So noisy outside, so messy, but with me, it's just so quiet. I can hear the way you breathe. Stay still for me, okay? Don't move on myself. I just want to feel how your heart reacts to me. I have too much power over you, don't I? You're so reactive, so sensitive. I barely touch you and you're already melting. It's just so fucking intoxicating. You know that? Knowing that I'm the only one who gets to see you like this. The only one allowed this close. I love it. I do. Because everyone else just gets a different version of you that you want to show them, but you show me who you really are, right? You just depend on me, and I love that. I get the version of you that just loves to be spoiled. I think I'm gonna keep you right here, just for a long, long time. How about you turn around for me? I want to see your pretty eyes. I want to see my girl. My beautiful, beautiful girl. Do you have any idea how much I've just been thinking about this? Just you being quiet. Just having you still right now, and just... You spend so much time taking care of things. You know, running around, doing your own stuff, but now you're just with me. And I love it. You don't have to think, you don't have to speak. Just turn your brain off and I'll think for the both of us, okay? I got you. I got you. Fuck. I love the way you look at me when you're vulnerable. Like you're just waiting for me to tell you what's next. Waiting for my words that I'm gonna say. I could tell you to do anything right now, right? And you would do it. Because you trust me. Because you know that even when I'm being firm, even when I'm taking what's mine, I'm doing it because I adore you. God, you're so warm. You love me tracing your spine like this. I want you to feel the difference. That my skin is rougher than yours. Yours is just so good. Perfect contrast, right? You were made to be held by someone like me. To be protected by someone who knows exactly how fragile you are and exactly how much pressure you can take. Maybe I should just start kissing you everywhere. And you're gonna let me. You're gonna lie here, and you're gonna take every kiss, every touch, every whisper. Because you're mine. From the top of your head till your feet. Names are written all over you. Do you like it when I'm possessive like this? A little possessive, a little demanding. Takes the pressure off of you, doesn't it? You don't even have to decide anything, you just have to exist and feel. You should go get some rest. My sweet baby. Close your eyes. Let's go get some rest, okay? I've got you. I've always got you.